Hello, this is fourth grade worksheet, lesson 19, and we will kind of go over things that I think is hard or important. So first of all is find the sum, and then this is not just basically just dealing with just counting numbers such as 3, 4, 5, but you have to use fractions like in this format. First of all, let's go over number 1. It's asking 1/8, and I can also write it like this: 1/8 plus 5/8. And then if you think of it like this, like a pie, and then you have like 4 sections like this. No, 8 sections I meant. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So imagine this as like a pie, and then you only have like 1/8, which is just one section, and then you want to add 5 more sections like this. Then your total value is going to be 6 out of how many? 8. But you can further simplify this, which is 3/4. And I'll tell you why this works. So if I make this into 4 sections, because this is literally what 3/4 mean, and I just color the 3, and then if I kind of overlap this, do you see how this kind of matches up? Like this. So you see how this kind of matches up perfectly, and this is why you can write it like this, and this is called simplifying. So your final answer is going to be 3/4. Due to the time, I won't draw the pie, but as you kind of move along, you can do it if you get confused or you get stuck. Okay, let's do number 4. So 3/10 plus 4/10, and this is 7/10. And then just a tip: if you have a same denominator, which is a lower number, we call this denominator, and then we call this numerator. If you have the same denominator, then you can just add numerator, so you get 7. So your final answer is gonna be 7/10. Number 5, this is gonna be 1 plus 2, which is 3, and your denominator is 4, so it's 3/4. This is 2 plus 7, no, 2 plus 3, which is 5, and then your denominator is 7. Same as number 7 is 7/10, and then here you have 10, and 10/10 is equal to 1, because this is the same thing. And then if I draw a chart, 1 basically means you have like a whole pizza or a whole pie, and then 10/10 means if you have like 10 intersections like this, and then you have 10 of them, it means everything, like same as 1. So you can also write 10/10 as 1. And then sometimes, not sometimes, but your teacher will make you to simplify. So just keep in mind. Then number 9, 4 plus 2 is 6/8. You can simplify. This is 3/4 because you can divide by 2. So it's gonna be 3/4. 7 plus 5 is 12/12. Again, this is 1, because if you can divide 12 both sides, and then this will result you 1. Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7/5. This is 1 and 2/5. And then 8 plus 2 is 10/12. You can simplify this as a 5/6 because you can divide 2. Okay, I'm pretty sure that you guys are familiar with multiplication, so I won't do a lot, but let's try number 11. 354 times 28. Okay, So 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 4 is 40 plus 3 is 43. This is 24, 28. This is 8, 10, 9, 10. So this is 2, 1, 9, 2. So it will be 2, 1, 9, 12. Okay, number 13, 427 times 21. This is 7, 2, 4, 14. This is 5, 8. So 7, 6, 9, 8. 8, 9, 6, 7. Okay, division. So division and multiplication, this should be familiar with you because this is like you learned this from like first grade, and since you guys are 4th grade right now, you have like 3 years or 4 years. So what I mean by familiar is that if you have like this number or this number, like pretty small number, you have to kind of like get it on top of your head. Something like this is 14, this is 6, this is 9, this is 9, this is 27, 28, my bad. And then this is like 76, this is 7, this is 12, this is 21, this is 16, this is 5, this is 9, this is 22. Like, it isn't necessary, but these things will help you to kind of improve your math skills or save your time later on. So just get a practice using your mental math. It's not required because you still have to show all of your work, but try to use your mental math because why not? Okay, word problems. So word problems are, I think, the best part in this lesson. Not in just this lesson, but throughout all the lessons that I've done before, because word problems are like the hardest one. And then yeah, my friends also struggle, but not me. Alright, number 1. Jane goes into a store and orders a total of blue and green, so it's B plus G, for her daughter's birthday. However, she wants 20 more green than blue. How many balloons of each color will she take home? So assume that you have your blue plus green, the balloons are 85 and have the same number. Then you have to have blue equals 42.5 and then green equals 42.5 balloons. But you can't have just a half a balloon. So what the question wants is that she wants 25 more green, which means that you have 2 kinds of balloon, but you also have 25 more green. So you can just add 25. This means that you're adding 25, but what you really want is to subtract 25 both sides. And I'll tell you why in just a second. So you're just left with B plus G. And this is going to be equal to 60. So B is 30 and G is 55. So I'll tell you why you have to add 25. So assume that you have B and G, which is blue and green. This is 2 colors, right? But so what the question is asking is that your green has 25 more color. So then what this tells you is that blue and green balloons have the same amount, but it's just that green has 25 more balloon. So this is why you can make your equation like this. So B plus G plus 25, because this tells you that blue and green has the same number, but has 25 more balloons. And how many totals? Total is equal to 85. So blue is 30 and green is 55. So how many balloons? Yeah. Blue 30, green 55. Due to time, this will be it, and see you guys next week.